Is this the comfort food to end all comfort food? Salisbury steak with mushroom and onion gravy, mashed potatoes, and peas. Good stuff. So I'm going to start out with 1 pound of ground beef. And to that 1 pound of ground beef, I'm going to add a half cup of plain breadcrumbs, teaspoon of garlic powder, teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of salt. I'm going to give myself about 2 tablespoons of ketchup. Always give your mustard a good shake. Squirt of mustard, several glugs Worcestershire sauce, 1 egg lightly beaten. And I'm going to give this a good mix. Getting it started, I'm going to reach in there with my hands in just a minute. And I'm going to turn this into 4 quarter-pound patties, but you can do smaller, larger, whatever is right for your family. Just create these patties right here in my hand and put them in. Fry, but I don't have to cook them through because they're going to finish in the gravy here in a few minutes. Sliced onions. Chopped garlic. I'm going to add about 8 ounces of mushrooms that I quartered. A couple of tablespoons of butter. All right, now that I've got my vegetables nice and done, I'm going to use beef stock. Beef stock is made the same way broth is, but with all the great vegetables. I'm going to give myself 1 cup of beef stock. Next cup of beef stock, I'm going to add McCormick's brown gravy mix. I'm going to get the bottom, scrape the bottom of the pan to get all that fond. I'm going to add my patties to the sauce here and let them come out. I'm going to let this simmer about 10-12 minutes. I'm going to let my sauce thicken. So it's been about 12 minutes. And you see my gravy's nice and thick. Back of the spoon test. So I'm going to turn this down to a simmer to keep it warm while I get my mashed potatoes and peas together. What is your idea of comfort food? Where are you from? Please subscribe and give me a thumbs up if you like my recipes.